Are you sure about them, Mr. Omar? I made earlier the video for the E63. Let's go now to the G500. And today, you haven't covered the number plates, Omar. Today it's Thursday, March 5th, 2026. G500. Okay, here I can lift it up. Alright, fine. Now, everything's back together on the car. And the guys, they remove the fuel tank. And direct what you see. They clean it here, they put some WD-40, from as far as I can see. It's missing the steel bracket that's holding down the fuel filter, because this is a fuel filter, the fuel pump, it's inside. You see there? Okay. And one stud, it's broken. Now, what does mean that? That means that we need to change the fuel tank. That's what does mean that. And again, we need this ring that has a steel ring here to apply equal force down to the hat and not to be like this. Alright, if he wants the owner to get his car back with the fuel tank like that, he has to sign a paper that we're not carrying responsibility. Me personally, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna change the fuel tank. Alright, and definitely we're gonna put the steel ring that has on top. I don't know who touched it before, who did that mess. It is something. This is 220508. What in hell is that? So 22 is supposed to be the year, and 5th is the month, or August 08 is the month, who knows. So this is supposed to be 2022. It's supposed to be already 3-4 years old. Yeah. Anyhow, no. So what do we have? We have a broken stud and it's missing the steel ring. Alright, let me try to open it to see if it's gonna break any other. Like I said, we put some WD-40, they leave it the guys here for how much, 10 minutes now?
More than 10 minutes.
More than 10 minutes, yeah, let's see. I was on the E-class earlier, that's why they had the chance to do it. Let's find out now. Hold the phone to see that live. Put it here on there. Okay, let's start from that. Alright, fine. I mean, even the... Why they didn't put, says, a new nuts? Why they didn't put the steel ring? Yeah, so many questions, right? I'm very keen to see also the fuel tank inside, how it's gonna look like. Thank you, Mr. Joe. Thank you. Okay, fortunately, it didn't break any other stud. I don't know if we're gonna be able to remove this stud. We're gonna see if we can find out. Here, the map sensor is partially broken. Alright, let's remove this pipe here. This pipe needs to go out. And always. Let's blow the fuel. And this wiring needs to go out. Okay, there you go. Alright, don't contaminate the. Take this one. Leave it, no worries. Okay, just a second. Give me the phone. Alright. A second. It's nice and clean, the tank, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, no, alright. The thing is, yeah, that's what I remember. This been like spot welded on the frame, and see what has here. Up. For me, like I said, because we're talking about fuel, alright, it's gonna be much better to put a new fuel tank or a used fuel tank. Yeah, what you saw me.
We need also the lock in this one.
Yeah. A used fuel tank. You can find a used fuel tank, Omar?
Yep.
Alright, get the price and availability for a used fuel tank. Alright. Carefully now with a vacuum cleaner, come here, do not remove the seal. Also the seal has a crack here. Eh? What's this?
Yeah.
Or it's dirt? No,
But
it's dirt.
it's
Dirt.
like
It was
this,
dirt.
no?
No, it was dirt. I thought it was a crack. Okay. With a vacuum, we suck everything around carefully to don't contaminate the fuel tank. All right, at the end we put one rag on top. We're not gonna put the new fuel pump. All right. Yeah, has some dirt inside. See what's coming out. Omar, see what's coming out from the filter.
Can I put my hand down?
Yeah, put it. Nah, no, it doesn't have more, I think. Put it. Yeah. As expected. Alright, so put two blocks here. Block this one and this one. Don't fill something inside because we have to clean it. Alright, we have to wash it. And then let's see what he wants the customer, what he wants the owner. Block this one. Yes, vacuum cleaner here around. Carefully. And take also this away to don't contaminate the new parts. Alright?
John, remove it. Remove, bro. Remove it.
Yeah, tell him to make straight the cable. Why to... Yeah, why? So that's it. That's a small update, mostly for the owner, because the owner is not here. Alright? To see what we have in front of us. My advice, a used fuel tank with a ring. Alright? And then we're gonna put the parts back inside. And that's it. The fuel pump on this, it's the same like the SLS. Not only the SLS, but you see, has one brushless pump over there, and there is also space to put a second pump next to it if you want. And there is this and this that you are opening it and you take it out as one unit. So, yep, yeah, I believe it's the same basket. Yeah, it looks the same basket like the SLS. Well, fine. Level sensor there. Valves, yeah. That's the status. That's the story. Yeah. That's it for now. Next part, either we're gonna close the same tank and then he has to sign a paper to the customer that if he has any problem, it's not our responsibility because we're not gonna apply the same force here to hold it down. With one way or the other, the steel ring, we have to put it. All right. I'm not attempting to touch this one. Yeah. Be careful because the fuel pump, you're gonna suck the fumes from the petrol and you're gonna pass through the motor. So go bring the rubber couplers that we have. We have some big rubbers, or say to Jimmy to 3D print one piece, to come here, where is the ring, to squeeze it down, to don't suck the fumes, because it might ignite the vacuum cleaner. Plus, one fire extinguisher there, bring it near, bring another 2-3 fire extinguishers all around, because we are dealing with fuel, better safe than sorry. We have also there on the wall, we have, keep it there far away, to be able to grab it. This is a powder, I need also one foam. Bring also one foam fire extinguisher here. All right. Powder there, powder here, another one foam here, just to be safe, covering it, and yeah. And it's the worst case scenario, half tank. Yeah. 1 second. Here, we have foam, we have fire extinguisher on its lift. Each lift has its own fire extinguisher, extra. This is not by the government, this is by me. These are my rules. Is it full? Yes, it is full. Is it full? Yes, it is. And it's been inspected as well. All right, fine, lovely. So keep it here. All right, just in case, like I said. All right, we're on the same page, guys.
Yeah.
All right, you're looking for the cups. I have some cups inside I might give you. That's it. Let's upload the video and standing by.